A dollar collapse sounds extreme, but what most people really mean is a severe loss of purchasing power, where your money buys far less over time and everyday costs rise sharply. The important point is this: even if a total collapse is unlikely, currency devaluation is a real risk over long periods, especially when debt levels rise, deficits persist, and money supply expands. If purchasing power falls, savings held entirely in cash can erode. Retirement accounts heavily concentrated in paper assets may face increased volatility, and households can feel pressure through higher costs for food, energy, and essentials. So where do precious metals fit in? Gold and silver have served as stores of value for centuries during periods of monetary stress. They're scarce, globally recognized, and not dependent on any one government's promises. Investors typically use metals as a hedge, not as a prediction that a collapse will happen, but as preparation in case purchasing power continues to weaken. The practical approach is diversification, holding a portion of your assets in hard assets and building a plan that can survive different economic outcomes. To find out our list of the best companies to invest in and more information, go to preciousmetalscentral.com.